Viewing phone calls in Google Analytics with Mongoose Metrics is quite easy to set up. It's a three-step process. First, you need to add a phone call HTML page to your site. Then you turn on Analytics integration in Mongoose Metrics. Then you configure Google Analytics as desired. Let's take a look at the first step. All you need to do is create a blank web page and insert your Google Analytics JavaScript snippet into it. You place it wherever in your site you want. You just need to know where it is. Here's an example of the phone calls HTML page. You can see that inside of the head area of the web page, we have the Google Analytics JavaScript pasted. That's all you need to do. Save this web page, upload it to your web server, and you're ready to go. Then log into Mongoose Metrics and click on the Configure Analytics button next to the campaign that you want to configure with Google Analytics. This will give you the option to create a Google Analytics URL. First, type in the URL of the phone call HTML page that you created. Then, decide the kind of data that you want to push over into Google Analytics. Remember that Google Analytics only accepts up to 5 custom variables. Using hashtags, we can go ahead and add some custom variables directly from Mongoose Metrics. Then I hit Generate URL, and it creates the URL that it's going to ping every time a phone call occurs. We go ahead and save that, and now the Mongoose side is set up and ready to go. Now let's take a look at Google Analytics. I've logged in, and I'm configuring my Google Analytics account in the settings. I've logged in, and I'm viewing goals. The key is to create a new goal. I've named it Phone Call, and the goal type is going to be a URL destination. Now, when I'm configuring this URL destination, I want the goal URL to be the phonecalls.html page. So every time this page gets hit, it's going to register as a phone call inside of Google Analytics. I save this, and you'll see that it's showing up inside of that goal set. Under conversions, I can view all of my goals, or optionally filter to just phone calls. To find out more, check us out at mongoosemetrics.com or talk with us on Twitter at Mongoose Metrics.